Hey, salut et bienvenue dans French with Karine. Tips for getting started in French. Learn a few basic phrases. It's very useful to get started and don't hesitate to make flashcards to help you memorize your sentences. I do the same for my English and for other language, so it's very useful. In this video, I have prepared 20 useful phrases to get you started in French, which will be useful to you during your travels to French-speaking countries. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. If you prefer, you can simply say enchanté. Je ne parle pas bien français. Parlez-vous anglais? S'il vous plaît. It can be placed in a sentence but can also be used alone to call out someone, to ask for something. S'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. De rien means you're welcome. Like, oh, merci beaucoup. De rien. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi means also you're welcome. Sometimes you will hear y a pas de quoi. It's the same expression but say a little bit faster. Y a pas de quoi. Je suis français. Excusez-moi. In French, it can be used to apologize for having done something disturbing, but also to call out to someone to ask for something. Like in the street. Excusez-moi, madame. Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Oh, excusez-moi. Désolé. Je suis désolé. Pardon. Pardonnez-moi. In French, it can be also used to apologize for having done something disturbing when asking to be forgiven, but also to call someone to ask them for something, like in the street. Pardon, monsieur. Où est la gare, s'il vous plaît? Oh, pardon. Excusez-moi. You can make a mix. Je cherche les toilettes. Je cherche les toilettes, s'il vous plaît. Au revoir. Je vais bien. Je suis perdu. Aidez-moi. Je m'appelle Karine. Parlez doucement, s'il vous plaît. Je parle un peu français. And there you have it. You are able to speak a little in French. Happy? Yes. So find me in the next video to learn how to ask questions in French. And about your phrases, your sentences, use the flashcards, like I said. because it's very useful to practice and retain your sentences. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't hesitate to leave a comment and subscribe. À bientôt!